What is up, guys? Mastic over here. Today what we're gonna do is we're changing rear brake pads and rotors on this Chevy Traverse. I'll be including the year in the title. So let's get straight to it. First, we need a 22mm socket to remove the wheel lugs. Wheel somewhere away from us. So these two are 14mm, so we're gonna get the 14mm right here, right there. This right here, we don't need the 14 no more. We're gonna switch to the 18 right here. So make sure you disconnect your e-brake from inside, or just click on the e-brake button so the e-brake is released. The next thing I'm gonna do is remove the tabs. They're the clips that hold the e-brake electrical line in place. Right there. So right here, I don't know if I can show you. This is the electrical clip. Cool. Alright, this comes out. Don't hang it, just put it right here. I'm gonna take these two. Okay, so it's an 18mm for the bracket. Those have thread locker on them, which we're going to be cleaning once we're done, or before we put them right on. We're going to be putting new thread lock. Okay, we have a pretty strong, I would say, electrical ratchet. Let's see. Cool. Now we have this, which is a T30. Now the wheel's gonna move, but you can use one of the studs. That hurts. Fucking spider walking on me, dude. Okay, it's right here. Keep it right there. Okay, so okay. Get enough. Take off. Okay. Alright. If you live in a rust belt, definitely consider putting some anti-seize on the hub before you put the rotor on, because it will rust. Tightened it a little bit more than I needed, but who cares? Alright, we're gonna get the knuckle, sorry, the bracket, take it off, take that crap off. That's good. Okay, so before we put this on, what we want to do is take these. Cool. Now, if you ask why I'm doing this, is because the new thread locker that I'm putting on will stick a lot better if it's been cleaned up correctly, and there's no chemicals or oils that will prevent the thread locker from sticking on. Okay, that one's in.
This is a brush. Doesn't damage anything.
Cool. One goes on in the front, and the one that does goes on in the back. Cool. Cool. Now it's done. This needs to be longer, I swear. Cool. See that? Pins. I'll take them. Put the lower one first. I'll always put the lower one first, because if you can't put the lower one, well, you could put the lower one and then put the brake caliper back on, but it's a lot easier if you put the lower one first and then the top one. we're gonna do the same thing with these bolts. Good. All right, this is good, this is good. We have the two clips over here. Those are tying pretty well. We got brake grease, we have this on. And the last step to do is put the e-brake wire back on. Okay, just make sure that this is on. Good. All right, now we're gonna put the wheel back. Cool. All right, so our next step is to reinitialize the e-brake. All right, make sure you pump your brakes a couple of times before you use the e-brake. So I'm pumping the brake. Now I wanna cool. Good. Keep it running. Alright, that is it for the video, guys. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments. But other than that, thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. See ya.